Yeah, guys, we just submitted a petition to ban Facebook in Nigeria, and we are just going to go outside now. Our letter, our petition has been acknowledged. I'm going to go outside now to broadcast and show you some of our people we are with.
So my people, this is Ijele, the king of the game. Ijele wrote a petition to suspend Facebook in Nigeria. Wow, this man said you did a lot too. Do you know how many people that feed through Facebook in Nigeria? Social media is one of the things that help our people now in Nigeria. All these content creators, people that have brain, that want to make it, they entered social media. They entered into content creation, you know, to make money. And you wanted to ban Facebook in Nigeria. Yeah, so in short, this man said, you're very funny. Just watch this video, my people. Thank you.
Then go here and I tell them, thank you, man. Yeah. Guys, go to the line up with the didn't make a come here. Guys, we just left the Ministry of Justice. So I can make some of 1 minute a bit. No. Okay, sir. One, sir. No, stand outside. Don't come, sir. Just the other side of the road. No, just stand like this, sir. Line up here. Guys, as you can see, we visited the Federal Ministry of Justice to report the activities of Facebook and highlight the need for Facebook to be banned permanently in Nigeria. Okay? They should be banned. They can't be controlling speech and be telling us what to say and what not to say. They'll be deciding a voice that will be heard and one that wouldn't be heard. I don't even care if they strike my page down. They can go to hell. The country comes first before any gain from social media. As you can see, this is the Ministry of Justice. We've just submitted the petition over there right now, and we are heading to the Ministry of Information. Okay, they are going to feel it hot. Hold on, let me ban one okuko. I'm coming, guys. Yeah, this is the Federal Ministry of Justice. Enough of the nonsense. As you can see, our placard: ban Facebook in Nigeria. This is stop the censorship now. This is sharing the confessional statement of a terrorist is not hate speech. Guys, remember this thing happened because these guys gave me a strike for sharing a confessional statement of a terrorist. Then who is Facebook to decide what is hate speech or how is a confessional statement hate speech? Not only that, they've limited the reach of my page. I'm not just saying it about me because it's not about me. It's about every other Nigerian that has been banned, that has been deplatformed by Facebook. Meanwhile, they're making millions of dollars monthly from Nigeria. Yet they want to dictate to us how we will speak, what we will say, what we will put out. It's not going to happen. We are not going to allow that. We have the power and we are going to use it. They need to be spoken to in a language they understand. Mark Zuckerberg, no one elected you to any office in Nigeria. Hands off Nigeria, bitch. Facebook must be banned to save our society. A country can never bow to a corporation. Get that into your head, Mark. Stop Facebook before Facebook stops our democracy. Hands off our democracy now. Evil Facebook. Federal Republic of Nigeria, not Facebook Republic of Nigeria. My brother will let me. Stop putting your thumb on the scale of political conversation in our country. As you can see, guys, we've done this, okay? If I use another platform for no, let me use their own platform to insult them. They can't do shit. Let them take it down. We don't care. Guys, we'll be heading over to the Ministry of Information right now. We are done here. Thanks, everyone. Help share the video and spread the message.